Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
Alright, so I'm gonna open this Max 2K Clear so you know exactly how it works. This is the one that you gotta push the bottom here, and then you gotta shake it. So when you push this, the harness mixed with the clear, so it'd be like, you know, original, like you're spraying it with a gun. So we're gonna open it and show you exactly what's inside. So I'm gonna stab it up here. There you go. Now I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna try to go on an angle down so you can appreciate the inside better. And then I go on an angle down. Almost there. Down this one. So there I can. So what happened is, when you push the red thing here at the bottom, it will break that seal. And that's where the harness is, inside there. So it breaks it, and then it get mixed. And oh, look at that! I got 4 little bolts. Try to empty that out over here so you can see those beautiful bolts. Beautiful bolts. Now we're gonna collect them. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to collect bolts. So that's the red cover I was talking about. So this is the one you push in. So when you push in, this thing comes up, the black part. See that? And then break that seal. Do it again. There you go. So now you know exactly how it works.